Here's a quick tutorial on how to sew weird angles with foundation paper piecing. It's a common problem. Once you sew your seam, you fold over the fabric and then it's too short. So here's a trick. We'll be sewing now the line between 4 and 5. As you can see, the farthest corner of 5 is outside of the sewing line. Now, when you line up the seam allowances, right sides together, make sure your sewing line is the mirror axis, meaning the fabric has to be on the other side of the farthest corner. Now you sew your seam. Now when you fold over your fabric, you can see there is enough fabric to cover all of number 5. The next seam is between 5 and 6. Cut off your seam allowance, and this one is easier because the corner is inside your sewing line. Again, the sewing line is your mirror axis. There has to be enough fabric on the other side, and that's all you need to pay attention to.